A less than auspicious start to a month and new quarter on Wall Street. Stocks dropped across the board, with the Dow falling 343 points, a loss of more than 1%. Similar percentage drops for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Investors were on edge after data showed the U.S. manufacturing sector in the midst of the worst slump in more than a decade. The Institute for Supply Management's monthly index pointed firmly to one reason for the contraction, as Nicholas Colas, co-founder of Data Trek Research, points out.
It comes down to this trade war. It really does. I mean, it's always tough to look at a market or look at economics and say it comes down to one single thing, because it rarely does. In this case, it really does. The trade war and the tariffs have put this chill on global manufacturing, and it's not going to get resolved until this trade war gets resolved. And until that happens, we are going to see very sloppy numbers out of manufacturing, and even very possibly a manufacturing recession.
A major shakeup coming to the world of investing. Discount brokerage Charles Schwab is dropping commissions for online trading of stocks, ETFs, and other products. The move is likely to force rivals to do the same. With industry profits in jeopardy, shares of Schwab dropped roughly 10%, TD Ameritrade slumped 25%, and E-Trade tumbled 16%. One bright spot amid the doom and gloom, Ulta Beauty. The stock rallied on word Jennifer Lopez launched a new fragrance exclusively for the beauty retailer called Promise. It also helps that a longtime independent director bought $60 million worth of stock. Good news after shares took a beating in August when Ulta lowered its full-year forecast.